This one could be like a shape. That's a shape.
What shape? Remind me.
That's a shape. That's a shape.
Public Stadium. Stadium. You gotta be back a little bit.
The fence. That's a shape.
You're going to force. So what's that like today?
Oh, fine over there.
Oh, that's good. The fence, your fence back there.
Fence is a line. Can the wings be like a line? The wings are they like lines?
It can be. But like, I mean, like,
This
not
one
that.
could be a line.
Probably
Look
not
at
that.
this.
Like,
There's no lines on them.
yeah.
Still truck.
A plane. Look. It's a line. Yes. That's a line. That's a line. Wait a sec. Looks like planes. They have lines. See?
Is that a windstorm plane? That's not a windstorm plane. This one's go higher than that.
Planes, they have lines.
Let's go over the clouds.
Technically, planes, they have lines.
Yeah, it, dude. Somehow.
Let's consider it like oh wait, I got it. Our jacket. This. Look.
Yeah, me too.
See?
Yeah,
They have lines. See? See? Yeah. There's lines. See?
Oh.
That's what you consider. So I have lines. See? So these are lines. Yeah.
Oh,
Technically, that is
they can be.
Is this a shape?
Tree is definitely short. That's the right thing.
What the hell?
For nature.
He's here.
It's for nature. It's probably the biggest tree. Right. You're just bugging me.
Oh wait, your pants. They have lines. Your shoes.
Oh yeah, shoes are lined.
Yeah.
Whatever, just lined in one.
Yeah.
Should exactly.
Running with that.
Oh yeah, there is.
Ow!
Oh,
Our pipe code.
what I mean, those.
They got lines. They got lines. They have top and off. Yeah.
Oh yeah, they have.
They can't top down and off. No, I can't do it. So spiny. Well, maybe they're not good. Maybe they're not done yet. Usually they're flat. Oh.
Oh, walking with the boy.
Oh, this could be a shape. Look at this. Is this a shape? Like the building. It's like a shape. Look. Building.
Huge rectangular.
A house could be
I'll
like
go with that.
Huh.
this could be
Walk
like
over here.
So,